How to log out of Instagram account on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Instagram account on Insta. While the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your Instagram and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be headed to your profile. On your profile, now you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then simply tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you want to scroll all the way down below, and there under logins you can see add account and you can see logout option. Simply tap on logout and it'll ask you to confirm your logout. Simply tap on logout and your account will get logged out easily. So this way you can log out of Instagram. If you want to log in back again, you can simply head into login and you want to log in to your account. You can simply tap on login to another account if you wish to log in account. Now if you wish to remove the login credentials, simply tap on settings icon at the top right corner and then simply tap on the particular profile and then simply tap on remove profile and it will be removed along with the saved credentials. So this way you can log out of Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.